You don't need meat to build muscle. If you've skipped plant-based eating because you're afraid of losing muscle, stick with me. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD. Animal protein is a complete source of amino acids. But guess what? Plant proteins with whole grains can also give you the amino acids essential for building muscles. The amino acids don't need to be all in the same meal. Your body can pool them over the day. Think quinoa with chickpeas, tofu with brown rice, or lentil soup and whole wheat pita, and voila, complete protein. So what if you go plant-based for just a few days? Right away, your body receives more nutrients. We're talking vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fiber slows sugar spikes, curbs cravings, and keeps your gut bacteria thriving. Less bloating, better digestion, stronger immunity for you. You might notice a slimmer waistline. Plant-based meals are lighter in calories and saturated fat, and the anti-inflammatory benefits are huge. Less inflammation means better protection from chronic illnesses. Imagine going plant-based for a few days every once in a while. You get a potentially longer life. Loading up on plant protein is linked to a lower risk of early death from all causes. Plant-based diets can lower your chances of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and obesity. Eating less meat and fish lowers the risk of colorectal, breast, and prostate cancer. One study on breast cancer even revealed that those following a plant-based diet had a 67% lower risk. Pretty powerful stuff. Now, let's not kid ourselves. Not all plant foods are created equal. Ditch the French fries and throw that bag of potato chips out the window. Limit sugar, unhealthy fats, and anything ultra-processed. Stick to real, whole foods. As always, check with your doctor before changing your diet, even if it's just for a few days. Ready to give your body a plant-powered boost? Fuel up and feel the difference.